Hi everyone, here's my quick and easy recipe for soy ginger glazed chicken wings. This dish is so easy to make and so delicious. So let's get cooking. Over high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, add half a sliced onion, 2 tablespoons of sliced ginger, and 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced garlic. Saute all of that for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add 2 pounds of chicken wings or drumettes and cook that for another 3 to 5 minutes. Add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix, mix, mix. We're gonna cover this, lower the heat, and cook for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you wanna uncover, and you're gonna cook for another 10 minutes until the liquid has almost all evaporated and coated the chicken. I'm just gonna garnish with some toasted sesame seeds and thinly sliced scallions, and there you go.